Now coming to the applications of CCD, it is used to record images in digital cameras, in optical scanner, in video cameras, in astrophotography, in night vision devices, and as it is sensitive to infrared light, so it is also used in case of infrared photography. Now the working principle of this digital camera or other cameras, they are based on the photoelectric effect. So what is photoelectric effect? It is when photo means light falls on a device, then the light gets converted into electricity. This is known as the photoelectric effect. So what happens when light falls on a MOSFET cell? When light falls on a MOSFET cell, then the cell converts the light into a charge pulse or a packet of charge. Then the packet of charge, they are moved from one MOSFET cell to another MOSFET cell by the coupling and decoupling of the potential wells within the semiconductor that makes up the CCD. And at the end, all the charges from that means the charges from all the cells or all the charges from all the potential wells, they are converted to electrical signals. Okay. Now there are certain advantages and disadvantages of the CCD. So coming to its advantage, a large capacity memory can be constructed at low cost, and the disadvantages are that as it's a dynamic memory, so it must be periodically refreshed, and as the data are stored serially, so the average access time is long when compared with the semiconductor RAM memory, because RAM is the random access memory. So any data stored in RAM can be accessed randomly. But in case of CCD, as the data are stored serially, so we have to access the data maintaining a serial sequence. So the average access time is long. These are the disadvantages of this CCD. Thank you.